guys, so today I've got the Mizon Natural Breath Cheese Repair Cream. Freaking weird. So I had to order it, obviously. I saw cheese, and they also came out with a wine cream at the same time, so I had to freaking order it, and a few of you asked about it, so I thought I'd review it. Got a special guest in the room. We got little Muffin. Duty, say hi. He's got a little bit of an eye infection, so he's kind of tired. And I will say, putting eye drops in Lincoln is like trying to buck a bronco. It's friggin' hard. So anyway, and Caraman's away. So it's up to me. It's got to be. It's up to me. So, okay. So I've been testing this one out. And I will say, it looked like it was a new product that came out. However, they had originally sold it in like 2015, 2014. I think it was off the market. Came back a few years ago, was gone again, now it's back. Does cheese have that much benefits for skin? So what they use in this is quark cheese, which is a European cheese. It's got some natural mineral components, but to be honest, nothing that I would go out of my way to put on my skin. I mean, it has skin conditioning properties, but almost every random ingredient out there, it has skin conditioning and hydrating properties. So it's really not that exciting. I will say I thought it would have like a scent to it, like cheese. It doesn't. The scent is floral because they added fragrance. Because who wants to smell like cheese? I mean, especially some of those cheeses in Europe can be very strong smelling, I guess I would say, to put it nicely. The pictures make it look like Swiss cheese, kind of all creamy and foamy. It really is not like that. I'll do a little swatch because I don't want to put it back on my face again because my face does not like this product at all. Rarely have like breakouts or issues with any product, but shockingly, this one, my skin hated. So anyway, so it feels nice and hydrating. Some people really enjoy this one. I mean, I find it moisturizing, but not crazy so. The main first several ingredients are all like slip ingredients and hydrating ingredients, nothing super exciting. A few silicones and palmitic acid. I will say if you have acne-prone skin, don't even touch the bottle this comes in because there's a lot of acneogenic ingredients in this one. Then we've got shea butter, which I actually like. Then we've got vegetable oil, which is always interesting because I always think of vegetable oil in cooking, like when I see olive oil, but it can be very hydrating for skin. Then we've got synthetic wax in here. We've got beeswax in here. We've got a few fatty alcohols, more dimethicone, then fragrance. And then after fragrance comes the quark cheese, which has some mineral and hydrating components to it. But to be honest, would I run out and buy any cheese cream? I just wouldn't. There's just so many other proven really great ingredients. Heck, snail mucin is really nicely hydrating. So I think this one's kind of more of a, I don't say like a gay gift, but almost just, the word's escaping me, but kind of like it's escaping me, whatever. Yeah, so it's kind of like people buy this kind of just to try it out, like me. Like, what's cheese? I gotta try it. Maybe cheese is the next snail mucin. I don't know until I try it, but it's not really not that exciting. Maybe if they wouldn't have added the fragrance, although they probably had to add the fragrance because who wants to walk around smelling like fermented cheese all day? Some of those can be really pungent. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. So then we've got the beeswax, synthetic beeswax. We've got fragrance, adenosine, betaine, cocoa extract. There's some nice hydrating and good extracts, but to be honest, the ingredient list isn't crazy exciting other than the novelty. Novelty, that's what I was thinking. It's like a novelty product. Like, you just got to pick up the wine and cheese cream, and maybe it's really as good as sitting and drinking wine and having cheese, but it's not. It just isn't. There's so much other better products you can put on your skin other than this one. So, and why they call it natural breath, I don't know. I had to try it because it's a novelty. I don't know. Maybe cheese was going to be amazing, but it just wasn't. I don't know. Mizon can do better than this, but I kind of am curious to see how this product sells in relation to some of their other products. Because maybe a lot of people are like me and like, hey, I gotta friggin' try it. It could be the next best thing that I don't know about. I mean, eventually there's always new ingredients that come out, and some of them are great, some of them are bummers. So you gotta try it until you know, but yeah, this one, I mean, if you don't have acne prone skin or sensitive skin, it's okay. But other than that, kind of a pass. I mean, at least it sets to kind of a natural finish that doesn't look or feel sticky, but it's just got a lot of acnegenic ingredients. And then the cheese thing is kind of, other than hydrating your skin, I really don't think it's bursting with minerals and vitamins that your skin doesn't get in other products. So I think you're better off spending your money on a good retinol, a good sunscreen. Save your money on this one. So sadly, I don't know who I can pass this down to that would look at it and be like, I want to put that on my face. I don't know. I'm sure I'll find somebody, but might be a little tricky. So anyway, those are my thoughts. I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check this out yet, or if you've tried any other cheese products. Maybe just melt some mozzarella and throw it on your face as a mask and peel it off. I don't know. Leave a comment. There's more that I don't know. I know that. I'm smart enough to know I don't know everything. So don't tell cameraman that, though. He thinks I know everything. So at least he says that to me. So anyway, okay. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you more tomorrow.